Good morning, students. In this way, I am teaching well chapter number 4. The title of this chapter, The Rat Trap. And in this way, I completed the above paragraph. In the above paragraph, we have seen that the main character, the protagonist of this story, it means the peddler, had stolen money from the old man, and when he stole money, he liked to and he does not like to go to the city through the road, but he wants to go to the city through the jungle path. In this way, the above paragraph is over, and this one is the next paragraph. Let me read first the paragraph, then I will interpret it in English. It was late in December. Darkness was already descending over the forest. This increased the danger and increased also his gloom and despair. Finally, he saw no way out and he sank down on the ground, tired to death, thinking that his last moment had come. In this way, this one is the time of December, and you all know in the north, especially in the north hemisphere, it is seen, yeah, it is done that in December time the night time has been more than that of day. So this one is the December time, and it is very dark night, and through money in this way, through the whole day he walks and walks, but this one is the evening time, and he finds that the darkness is being more and more, and as the darkness is increasing, the danger is also increasing for him. So he is very unhappy because ultimately he does not find the right path. By adopting that path, he can come out from the jungle. So he sit down on the ground, and as soon as he puts his head on the ground, he listens the sound of the hammer. First of all, when he becomes unhappy, disappear, he sits down on the ground, and he thinks that his death is sure. No one can save him. Who is thinking here? Here peddler is thinking about his life, because he is totally entrapped in the path of the jungle, and the jungle path is strange for him, and he never walked through the jungle path, so he is unable how he can come out from this dangerous situation. So let me read more from here. But just as he laid his head on the ground, he heard a sound, a hard regular thumping thump. This one is a thumping patakana. There was no doubt as to what that was. He raised himself. Those are the hammer strokes from an iron mill. He thought there must be people nearby. He summoned all his strength, got up, and staggered. Staggered. Suppose that if you find any drunken person who drinks too much, he when he walks, he does not walk properly. He staggers. No? He is staggering himself. In this way, when he listens the sound, when he puts his head on the ground, he feels the sound. He feels the sound of hammer. Anyone is stroking the hammer. So he gets up and he collects all his strength, and he starts towards that area. He starts going towards that area. From there he feels the sound, and he goes to the direction. In this way, in this paragraph, we find ultimately when he is entrapped, totally he is entrapped, he is unable to get out from the jungle. He does not feel, he does not think how he can come out from that jungle path. So he sits down, and he is thinking only and only about his death, and he is very sure that his death is very near. As soon as he sits down on the ground, he feels the sound of hammer, and when he feels the sound of hammer, he collects all his strength, and he starts going towards that direction. In this way, I hope you understand this paragraph. The meaning of this paragraph is over. Let me roll down next paragraph. The Ramjo ironworks, you can say mill factory, which are now closed down, were not so long ago a large plant with smelter. The Ramjo, in this paragraph we find about the factory. In this paragraph we find about the factory of which he thinks that sound is coming from that factory, and he thinks that this one is the Ramjo iron, yeah, this one is the Ramjo factory that is recently closed. That is recently closed, not so long ago, माने बहुत पहले समय नहीं, अभी अभी. A large plant with smelter, rolling mill and forge. In the summer time, long lines of heavily loaded barges and schools slid down the canal, which led to a large inland lake. And in the winter time, the roads near the mill were black from all the coal dust which sifted down from the big charcoal cracks. In this way, in this paragraph, we find the peddler thinks about the factory that is, by his knowledge, and according to his knowledge, as per his knowledge, this factory is closed now. But recently it is closed, and he is thinking that this is a big mill. Now, this was a big mill, and in this mill, summer time and winter time transportation system both are changed, both were changed. In summer time, the transportation system through the canal, and in the winter time it was through the road. And when it was through the road, the upper layer of the road has been has been darkened due to the charcoal cracks. In this way, this paragraph is about factory. So let me roll down next paragraph. During one of the long dark evenings just before Christmas माने Christmas के पहले. You all know in December 25 December is a Christmas day, and all the Christians celebrate this festival with a great enthusiasm. No? I hope you are understanding. During one of the long dark evenings just before Christmas, the master Smith and his helper said, Master Smith means one person who is a trainer, na? Who is a trainer, and there are other persons who help him. The Master Smith and his helper sat in the dark forge. Forge, you can say furnace, bhatti, near the furnace, waiting for the pig iron which had been put in the fire to be ready to put on the anvil. Anvil, and when you find any iron smith in your market, first of all iron smith hits the instrument ना. He माने शायद this one is खुरपी या any other thing, माने शायद माने हंसिया, माने he first of all he hits this thing, and then he puts on that platform, and then he thumbs it, he strokes it with with he strikes it na, with his hammer na, such type of thing. So here when he enters the mill, he finds Aaron Smith, master Aaron Smith and helper both are sitting, and they are waiting pig iron means कच्चा लोहा. They are waiting pig iron, and had been put in the fire to ready to, and which when they are waiting pig iron, when he find pig iron, they put on the they keep this thing on the anvil, then hammer it. In this way, every now and then one of them got up to stir the glowing mass with a long iron bar. स्टर में किसी को डिस्टर्ब करना. ग्लो माने दिस वन इज द ग्लो माने ग्लो, सपोज दैट एनीथिंग खिल जाना, ग्लो मास विथ ए लॉन्ग आयरन बार माने डंडे जैसा, रिटर्निंग इन फ्यू मोमेंट्स, ड्रिपिंग विथ पर्सपीरेशन माने स्वेट क्या बनता है, स्वेट इज ए वर्ब, व्हेन वी मेक इट स्वेटर. Though, as was the custom, he wore nothing but a long shirt and pair of wooden shoes. In this way, Iron Smith and helper both are waiting for pig iron. When pig iron comes to them, they starts make in original form. They start make it in original form. And after this one, peddler finds that one of them stand up, and they go to the furnace, and they they starts the firing coal na, with a big iron, yeah, with a long iron bar. And when he returns from the furnace, his body dripping with perspiration, he his body is perspirated. Yeah, you can say his body is perspirated. Mean, drops of perspiration comes out from him. A dropping of perspiration for dropping of perspiration falls down from his body, as was the custom. And this one is the rule. He does not wear anything except a long sword and pair of wooden shoes. I hope in this paragraph you understand. In the above paragraph, we find he thinks about the Ramjo ironworks, Ramjo ironwork, and after this one, he enters the factory. Mani, according to according to his mind, according to his knowledge, that iron Ramjo factory was there, no? But now he thinks that it is closed. But to confirm this, peddler comes to the factory, and when he comes to the factory, he finds it is running on. It is running on even now, no? So he comes to the factory. He enters the factory. When he enters the factory, he finds the laborers, helpers, and master smith. What they are doing in the factory. I hope you are understanding, na? Very nice. Let me roll down next paragraph. All the time there were many sounds to be heard in the forge. Forge, this one is factory. The big bellows groan means chigharna. And the burning coal cracking karna. This one cracked. The fire boy sawelled means you can say an instrument, yeah, belcha. In Hindi word, this one is the belcha. By we use belcha in sand. In for sand, we use belcha for sand. You can say rape. The fire boy shoveled charcoal into the ma means mouth. Ma means mouth. Up the furnace with a great deal of clatter means clattering sound create करना. Outside roared the waterfall, and a sharp north wind weaved the rain against the brick tiled roof. In this paragraph, we find now he stands inside the factory, and he looks what happens there. He finds labor helpers are doing, and he listens doing the work, and he listens the sound of the cracking coal, and he finds a helper puts coal inside the ma of the furnace, and this one is when coal is burning, it creates sounds and energy both. And outside there is a water falling, there this one is the waterfall, and when waterfall falls on the roof, this roof is made of brick, no? So this one is also creates sound. In this way, we find in this paragraph physical appearance of factory, no? How factory is developed there, no? How laborers working inside, and what is happening outside of a factory. I hope you are understanding, no? Let me roll down it again. It was probably an account of all this noise, no, that the blacksmith did not notice that a man had opened the gate and entered the forge. Here I want to tell you, whenever we use enter for pravesh in Hindi, na, we do not use any type of preposition both between verb and after verb. Na. Suppose here entered the forge, enter into the forge. This one is totally wrong. No? In this way, until he stood close up to the furnace. No? In this paragraph, writer tells us why all the person of the factory do not know anyone opens the door and enters the factory. Why? This one is the sound due to it. They do not know anyone enters the, yeah, they do not notice that anyone enters the factory until he stands close up to the furnace. When he did not, no one looks him until he comes himself to stand near the furnace. Who comes himself to stand the near the furnace? Peddler. Okay. This one is the paragraph. Na? We peddler means sailor. Na? The rat trapper. Na? Sorry, the person who makes a rat trap. It in this way I think you understood this paragraph. Na? Let me read next paragraph. Surely it was nothing unusual for poor vagabonds. Vagabonds I already told you. Avara kahin ka na. Whenever your father, mother, na, chides you, I think you know better than me. So they first say to you, for you are avara type student, na, you are avara type son, such type of vagabonds. Surely it was nothing unusual for poor vagabonds without any better shelter for the night to be attracted to the force by the glow. Glow I already मैंने glow माने किसी चीज का खिलना, glow माने उत्तेजित होना of light which escaped through the sooty panes. Sooty pane when we find glasses of window na, it is covered under S money this one is rock. Na sooty pants money it is covered by you can say dhool, and S this one is the sand is such type of soil. Na this one in this paragraph. Surely it was nothing unusual for poor vagabond without any better shelter for the night to be attracted to the force by the glow of light which escaped through the sooty panes and to come in to warm themselves in front of. No? In this way, vagabond he throughout the day he walks and walks. He does not do anything except walking in the forest until he sits down on the ground and he finds such type of factory. So he comes and he thinks that this one is the good place. This one is the good thing for him. No? And I think he thinks that in the jungle he does not find anything better than this one. So he sits down on the ground and he accepts that this one is the this shelter is good for him to spend this night here. It is good thing for him. So in this way he comes to the factory which escaped through the sooty panes. And after to be attracted to the force by the glow of the light. Man, why? Man, he in these lines we find how he is attracted. He attracts the light that comes out from the furnace and the lights that comes out from the window glass. No? In this way he finds this one is the great place and he wants to himself warms. He wants to make himself warm. No? Warm near furnace because this one is December time and in December it is known this one is the cold time for north hemisphere. No? In front of the fire the blacksmith glanced only casual glance माने किसी की तरफ ध्यान से देखना मैंने देखना glanced only casually मैंने सम्मानतया casually or differently at the intruder you know better than मैंने क्या घुसपैठ ये intruder. He looked the way people of his type usually did, no, with a long beard, dirty, ragged, and with a bunch of rat traps dangling. Dangling means hanging. Dangling means hanging. So in this way, blacksmith and helper, especially here we find when the blacksmith looks at the peddler, na, he casually looks him and he understands that this man he is accustomed to he is habitual to look such type of person in the night time and he understands this one is a very cold night. He may come here to warm himself to make himself warm and his condition is very dirty. He has a long beard, dirty, ragged, and with a bunch of rat traps so dangling. And you all know he makes a rat trap, so he has also a bunch of rat trap, and all the rat traps are hanging on his chest. Who chest? This one is the hanging on the chest of peddler. In this way, we find in this paragraph why blacksmith does not like to see him and casually looks at him and he allows to come in the factory. So this one is the paragraph. let me roll down next paragraph. He asked the permission. He asked permission. Sorry for disturbing. Okay, I think it's I need to stop here because it